crazy idea, but maybe I can win the Royal Rumble. I'm going to win the Royal Rumble. For the first time, I confidently say that I'm going to win a 17th challenge. And I'm saying that because after 23 years of loyal service to this company, I feel that opportunity is earned.
Jay hanging in there! Jay Lawson!
Again, it was my last Royal Rumble.